Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm the Chief Engineer and Designer at BSTY. With 12 years of experience in R&D of cleaning equipment, I've noticed that many households using floor cleaners are troubled by these three issues.
The floor cleaner's roller is tangled with the hair and pet fur, forcing you to manually put it out during cleanup. Stubborn oil stains in the kitchen can't be cleaned even after wiping multiple times. The more you wipe, the more frustrating it gets. When kids crawl around the floor, you always worry about bacteria and you won't let them have their fun.
If you also have these concerns, you're really not the only one.
In fact, all floor cleaners that are currently on the market actually share a critical flaw. The roller is at the front. Suction port is at the rear. Essentially, it's like wiping the floor repeatedly with dirty rags. It only gets dirtier the more you wipe. It's precisely because we saw these pain points and BSTY developed the world's first dual-chamber floor cleaner. It holds dual patents in China and the US.
We completely separated the suction port and the roller. Suction port is at the front, the roller is at the back. It's just like scooping first, then mopping. Fully complies with the correct cleaning sequence.
The roller will no longer get dirty with you, and you won't have to reclean repeatedly. This isn't a better floor cleaner, it's what a floor cleaner should have been all along.
We designed 3-step cleaning process for families.
Step 1. Start with 20,000 PA of powerful suction to remove all hair and dry debris. Suck away them before they touch the roller. Step 2. 200-degree high-temperature pressurized steam dissolves oil stains and ketchup in an instant. No harsh chemical sneeze. Step 3. The roller is wetted with 100-degree hot water for mopping, while killing 99% of bacteria. For carpets, just switch to vacuum mode. It only sucks up dust without spraying water, so you'll never get the carpet wet again.
We compare our product against leading North American floor cleaner brands. Wipe the child's paint scribbles. Dragging many times doesn't necessarily mean it will be completed, but our product can clean it all in just one try.
For chocolate stains beloved by babies, or everyday cooking sauces like ketchup and salad dressing, ordinary cleaners struggle and take forever. Our BSTY effortlessly removes them every time.
We also solved 2 hidden problems. Ordinary floor cleaners weigh over 10 kilograms.
So it's especially hard for women to lift and align them with the charging port. But BSTY uses push-to-charge technology. Just push it and it connects automatically. No effort needed. Press self-cleaning with one click. It will automatically rinse the roller with running water and dry it with hot air. It will still be clean the next time you use it. You don't have to wash the roller by hand anymore.
This is more than just a floor cleaner. It's a cleaning solution that we've improved for every family. Now we want to tell you, we have established a complete supply chain system with major guarantees from R&D testing to production quality inspection, ensuring stable production and reliable delivery of product. Right now, we would like to invite you to join us in bringing the cleaning experience of no hair tangling, sterilization, and easy use to more families fast. Support BSTY and let's redefine home cleaning together.